Jellyfish tanks require special water conditions to support these delicate creatures. The water needs to be carefully filtered and oxygenated to mimic their natural habitat. It should be free of copper-based chemicals and contaminants. The salinity levels, typically between 32 to 34 parts per thousand, must be consistent. Proper temperature control is essential, usually around 70 deg at 81-25 deg. UV sterilization helps maintain water clarity and reduce bacterial growth. Regular water changes and testing are crucial to sustain a healthy environment. Ensuring these parameters are met ensures the well-being and longevity of jellyfish in a captivating home aquarium setting. In a jellyfish tank, maintaining water quality is paramount. The water should be free from chlorine and chloramine, which can harm jellyfish. Tanks often use a circular flow system to prevent the creatures from getting stuck in corners. The tank sides might be made of special acrylic to minimize reflections that confuse jellyfish. The tank's design considers the jellyfish's delicate bodies, no sharp edges to prevent damage. Some tanks have adjustable LED lighting to highlight their ethereal forms. A tank's size determines how many jellyfish it can accommodate comfortably. Regular water testing, nutrient control, and vigilant maintenance are necessary for a successful and mesmerizing jellyfish tank.